He wasn't born a hero, he was born a slave. But in the heart of the Roman Empire, one man, armed with nothing but courage and a stolen sword, rose to challenge the greatest military force in the world. This is the story of Spartacus, the gladiator who defied Rome and became a legend. Title: Spartacus, the gladiator who stood against Rome. On screen text, animated title card.
Spartacus was likely born in Thrace, in Eastern Europe. Captured and sold into slavery, he was trained to fight and bleed for the entertainment of Roman crowds. In the gladiator school of Capua, he was just another name in the sand, until he decided to escape. In 73 BCE, Spartacus and about 70 other gladiators broke free. They took refuge on Mount Vesuvius, gathering escaped slaves as they defeated Roman patrols sent to capture them. What started as a prison break became a full-scale rebellion. The Roman Republic laughed at first, then Spartacus started winning. His army swelled to over 70,000 freed slaves, defeating one Roman force after another. He trained them, fed them, and gave them hope. Spartacus wasn't just fighting for freedom, he was proving Rome could bleed. Eventually, Rome sent its elite, led by Marcus Licinius Crassus. Spartacus wanted to cross the Alps and set his people free, but others wanted to stay and fight. The last battle came in 71 BCE. Vastly outnumbered, Spartacus fought to the death. His body was never found, but his legend? It never died. Spartacus became a symbol for rebellion against tyranny. From revolutionaries to civil rights leaders, his story echoes through history. He may have lost the war, but he won immortality.
Spartacus wasn't just a gladiator, he was proof that even the lowest in society can rise against the most powerful. If you enjoyed this story, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Would you have fought beside him?